EcoSense, like all NetView connected DVRs, can generate multiple video streams to suit the connection method that you've got between where the DVR is and where it's being viewed from. This is set up in network settings and then live transmission, and here you can set up 6 viewing profiles, and these are high quality, which is normally used when you're connecting via a LAN, medium quality, which is very often used when you're connecting via a wide area network or a WAN, and then the low quality settings will be used for very low bitrate connections such as mobile connections. And in each of those categories you can set up a JPEG transmission and an MPEG transmission profile, and you can choose the resolution that you record at. So here we're actually streaming out CIF images at high quality, and that probably would be better off at 2 CIF. And here you can set in JPEG a file size, so this is a 25 kilobyte file size, and the millisecond setting there is actually giving you the interval between pictures, so 40 milliseconds is actually 25 pictures per second. For the MPEG stream, we've set this to 2 CIF, so high resolution at a higher bit rate, of 1024 kilobits per second, and again 25 pictures per second. And then when we're going to connect via a WAN connection with a medium quality, notice that we've dropped the resolution down to CIF for JPEG and a lower file size. Similarly, if we're going to use MPEG streaming, MPEG-4 streaming, we set the resolution at CIF and a lower bit rate compared to high. And also here notice 100 milliseconds between picture updates, so that's giving us 10 pictures per second. The very low bit rate connections here suitable for mobile, then notice we've got their JPEG at CIF. We could also go down to QCIF if we needed to, if we're going to connect onto a mobile phone for instance. We'll leave that at CIF. 5 kilobytes in JPEG, and now we're getting 200 milliseconds or 5 pictures per second. Similarly with MPEG, we're using CIF resolution and a very low bit rate there of only 64 kilobits per second, really to suit the connectivity that we'll have between the DVR and the viewing client. When we make any settings, we must always remember to click the Save button, and then those settings are now committed.